Good morning. Here we're on our Brinker Modern Farmhouse project in Barrington Hills. Today we're in the basement. We have these old tree trunk joists up here that are probably, we think, about 120 years old that we used for the structure of the ceiling. We're doubling them up with 2x10s and 8s to reinforce the floor because it was sagging a bit. When we took there was like 5 layers of flooring up there. When we took all that apart, the subfloor was sagging, so we doubled them all up in between them to make it stiffer. This chimney here, we're looking to take this out because all the structure is tying into it, but we can't get the floor stiff enough on the first floor where we don't have any squeaks. So we're thinking about taking it down at least 2 feet, if not all the way down. So we're evaluating that this morning. All the existing mechanical used to be down here, the furnace, the water heater right now, which was just disconnected this today. The existing electric panel was over here, which is being taken out. It's going to go on the opposite side of the new house. These walls are stone and plaster. They're not concrete like the new wall we got here. So they're like about 16, 18 inches thick on the bottom, about 12 inches thick on top. All these beams are notched into this like old world construction. Like we said, this part of the house is about 120 plus or minus years old. This was the original part of the house. There was like 3 or 4 other additions added onto it over time that we have torn down and rebuilt a brand new house there in this place. So thanks for watching our video, and check back with us again soon.